Wow.
The chicken does look very
Does look really good. So let's give this a go.
Okay, so everyone, and by everyone I mean everyone and their mother in Kerala, says that when we are in Kozhikode, we have to try the chicken biryani from Paragon. Apparently it's insane. Apparently we're gonna have to wait like an hour and a half before even getting seated here. So let's just check it out. I'm so excited. To be honest, like, I'm not really a biryani fan, but I'm gonna get it today and I'm gonna see. Keenan is, so we'll have to ace test for both of us. Okay, here we go. Watch out for the mic. No, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. We'll see if it is. Namaskaram. Hi. Two people? How long for the wait?
10-15 minutes, ma'am.
Oh, that's not bad.
How long?
10-15 minutes.
Oh.
We've heard it was gonna be an hour. Okay, so apparently this restaurant is ranked one of the 5th most iconic restaurants in the world. And then we know that their biryani is ranked like in the top 10 best biryanis in the world, so.
No, I think it's the best biryani in the
Is
world.
it? The best biryani in the world.
One of the top 10 dishes in the world.
No way.
Yeah,
no way.
We'll
Okay, we
fact
need to
check.
figure
We'll
this out.
fact check
And also,
this
how
stuff.
subjective is that? Who can actually define what the best dish in the world is? But anyways, we're gonna try it out. Got this going, baby? Okay. Let's see this place. Hello. So are we going up to the restaurant or are we going up? Okay. Oh wow, we got some computers in here.
I'm gonna hold it down low.
Oh wow. Oh wow. We've really got it going on.
Okay.
None. Wow.
Add to the right side. Add to the right side.
1 year and 3 months.
Oh wow, baby, she has so much hair. When I was a baby, I was bald. Nani?
There you go.
Oh, could we have
I'm from England.
velum?
She's from America.
Yeah, yes. Nani? I want to see her face. She's really giving you the stare.
She's really giving me this.
I know she is. She's really confused by you. She doesn't smile that much. Baby. What's her name? Okay. Alert, alert. So it's confirmed. This is the 10th best dish in the world. Right, Keenan?
Yeah.
10th
And it
best.
is the world's.
Oh, and it's the world's #1 biryani. #1.
What else are we getting?
We're also getting a fried chicken in a banana leaf. Or
I think it's pandanas.
a pandan leaf. Oh, that means it'll have like a vanilla flavor. Yeah, so we'll try that out too.
It is pumping in there.
And it's late too. It's, what time is it? It's 9:30 and there's already enough people. Yeah.
Busy.
Yeah, it is busy.
So Mackenzie, what do we have here?
So we have a chicken fry in here. So it's lightly fried apparently, and then it's wrapped in this banana leaf, and then we have this sauce with it, which is like,
Like chili oil?
yeah, it's almost like a sweet, it almost tastes like a Vietnamese sauce where it's like sweet and kind of tangy.
This looks and smells incredible.
And the leaves are like kind of crispy, so let's see how we do. I don't even know really what I'm doing with this. Okay.
Do you not eat the leaf?
Do you?
I don't know.
I don't think so. I don't think you eat this leaf. I need a fork. Okay, let's try this. This chicken is insane. It looks insane. Look at that.
Focus. Unfocus. Wait. Yeah.
Got it?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was blurry because you put it right up to the camera.
wrong.
Good?
7 out of 7.
No way.
Yeah, the chicken is insane. It's amazing, honestly. And with this sauce, it's like sweet and spicy, so it brings out the flavor in the chicken. And the chicken is like so moist and delicious. 7, easy.
Good time. Hello.
Oh, she's being cute. She's cute.
So is she.
Yeah. Sprouts are gonna be good. Get a shot of the Watts. You know, I'll say something. My parents and pretty much all my friends, they rip me for drinking hot water all the time. But since being in India, I realized I'm not that weird. They serve hot water with every meal, and it has like little herbs in it. It's always a little bit pink, and I'm loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba, I'm loving it.
I think the water has some like Ayurveda herbs in it. I think that's what it is, like an Ayurveda mixed herb. Well, that's what I was told. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
So, we have our chicken biryani from Paragon.
Biryani.
So the chicken is slow cooked and there's tiny pieces of chicken all inside of this. So I've been warned to watch out for bones. So what we've got here is we have some mint, which I'm going to mix in with it.
Mint chutney.
Some chutney.
No, this is a mint chutney.
This is a mint chutney.
Yep.
This is pickle with dates in, and this is like a yogurt curd style. That I'm gonna mix in with this and give it a go. Give it a little blast. And apparently, this pickle is different to the usual pickle because they put dates in it, so it's a sweet pickle. Oh, there's jalapeno in that, or a green chili. I don't know if Mackenzie's going to be able to handle that green chili. Right, so. Oh, there's the chicken as well. Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, give it a good mix. Give it a good mixture in it.
Okay, so.
Blood check. Get it all in there.
Wow.
The chicken does look very
Does look really good. So, let's give this a go.
Is it blowing your brains out?
It's got a lot of flavours. There's a lot of flavours going on. Spicy, sweet, but not too spicy. Just enough spice.
Would you say it's the world's best biryani?
I mean, this chicken is so good. It's so tender. It's difficult because like it's a different biryani. It's not like any other biryani I've tried before. I would give it a solid. Oh, I'm gonna have to give it a 7 out of 7 just because of it being the world's best biryani.
Boring. Be honest, Keenan.
It's great.
8 out of 7.
7 out of 7 for sure.
So now we have tender coconut pudding. Boing, 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 boing. So let's see. Keenan was like, we don't want any dessert, and then the guy was like, we have tender coconut pudding, and I was like, we're getting that. And then Keenan's like, yeah, we're gonna get 2. Okay. I mean, it has like the consistency of flan, and I don't like flan. But let's just see.
Flan?
Flan is like an egg custard. I don't like it because it's very eggy and it doesn't have flavor. All right, let's see. It kind of like bursts open in your mouth, and it's like a coconut milk. And it's sweet, and I'm loving it. I give this like, it's very sweet though. Because I was gonna say 100 out of 7, but now I knock it down to a 6 because it's a bit too sweet, but it has a really good flavor.
From 100?
Yes.
From 100
yes.
to 6. Have our food at Paragon.
And now it's really busy.
It's the queue's a bit bigger.
What time is it? It's like 10?
I don't know. What time is it? It is 11 o'clock. And there's still people here queuing for food.
But when we were here, there wasn't.
Well, we had to wait like 10 minutes. There were people sat all around here, but it's well worth it. The food was amazing, and we must come back to try more because there was lots of dishes that other people were eating that looked amazing. So, Paragon, we give you a 7 out of 7. Well done. Well done.
Is this man's first time trying Paragon food, and he's from Kozhikode. Are you excited?
Yes, I am excited for the first time I am eating it.
What are you gonna have? What are you gonna eat?
What?
What do you plan to
order?
eat?
It's biryani.
The biryani. The chicken biryani.
It's chicken biryani.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, maybe you should also try for starters the pandanus.
Okay.
It's like chicken wrapped in banana leaf, dipped and fried.
It's paramburi.
So
It's paramburi.
It's paramburi.
Paramburi is beef is the best combo of.
Oh no, but pandanus is a starter.
Patan.
Yeah.
Yes.
Chicken wrapped in banana leaf.
Yes.
So good.
So good.
Well, enjoy.
Say that again.
I said he's Sababa and everything, but he duck walks and toe walks.
Duck walk. Duck walk.
Keaton, is that really how you walk?
No. I just give it.
Could be really how you walk.
Duck walk. I did bust out a duck walk there. I'm not gonna lie. Apparently, I duck walk and I toe walk.
And those are two things I said, no matter how sexy or great a man is, I would never stand for. And now here I am, dating a toe and duck walker.
Maybe that's a karma for you. You're paying your calms.